Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with TaskRabbit for creating passive income, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with TaskRabbit for creating passive income, begin by visiting the TaskRabbit website or downloading the app. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button and entering your email address. Choose your preferred method of signing up, whether through Google, Facebook, or using your email. Fill in the necessary personal information, including your name and address. Set up a strong password to protect your account. Once registered, verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. After verifying your email, log in to your TaskRabbit account. Navigate to the Become a Tasker section to start your journey. Fill out your profile with relevant information, including skills and services you can offer. Upload a clear profile picture to help potential clients recognize you. Set your availability by selecting days and times you can take on tasks. Next, determine your hourly rates for services you plan to provide. Review the TaskRabbit guidelines and policies to ensure compliance. After your profile is complete, submit it for review. Wait for TaskRabbit to approve your application, which typically takes a few days. Once approved, start browsing the job listings in your area. Select tasks that interest you and match your skill set. Make sure to read the details and requirements for each task carefully. When you find a suitable job, submit a proposal to the client. Communicate clearly with the client to discuss expectations and details. Once hired, complete the task to the best of your ability. After finishing, request payment through the platform. Encourage clients to leave reviews to build your reputation. Continuously update your profile as you gain more experience and skills. Consider offering additional services to diversify your income. Use marketing strategies, such as social media, to promote your TaskRabbit services. Keep track of earnings and expenses to understand your passive income potential. Evaluate your performance regularly and adjust your strategy as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.